Hey guys, are you having trouble setting up notifications on Snapchat? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to quickly and easily configure your settings so that you will never miss a message or an important notifications from the Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will open our phone settings. In our phone settings, you simply have to scroll down a little bit and there you can see the option of apps. You simply have to tap on this. Once you are on this page, you simply have to click on all app and from here you have to search for Snapchat. Once you are on the app info of Snapchat, there you can see an option of notifications. You simply have to tap on this. Now as you guys can see that the notifications for Snapchat are disabled right now. So if I want to enable this option, I will simply toggle this on. After that, you simply have to make sure that all of the sub notifications are also turned on. So once you have enabled the notification from the Snapchat in your phone settings, you also need to enable them from the Snapchat app as well. So exit out of it and open up the Snapchat application. After that, you simply have to tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says notifications and from here you will see all the different types of notifications that you can turn on. For example, you can turn on the notification of stories from friends, trending public content, friends, suggestion, mentions, friends' birthdays and many more. You can also disable any one of these notification by simply toggle this off and that will disable that specific notification. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.